Yo, what is up guys, this is Hadi from HadiTech back with another video. In today's video guys, we're going to be showing you how to make money from affiliate marketing in a very strategic way. We're going to be using Reddit, which is our main source of traffic, and we're going to show you how to leverage, like I said, Reddit to your advantage, and how you can pull commissions like hell from this website. We're going to be targeting people that are looking for jobs, obviously, because this is I would not say like a sensitive topic, but a lot of people are searching for jobs on a daily, and what better way to do that other than Reddit, because a lot of people are doing this on Reddit. I don't know if it is legit or no, but 9 times out of 10 a lot of people are gonna text you inquiring about the details of a job that you post on Reddit. And obviously we're not gonna scam people, we're not gonna manipulate people. We're gonna give them value, we're gonna give them or redirect them to a true legitimate website where they can apply for a job, and we will get paid while doing that, of course. I will show you a couple results in the end, but you can obviously mimic this strategy. However, you gotta be consistent. You do not do this one day and just stop the next day, and it's not an autopilot method, so definitely you gotta put in the work to actually see results. So the first thing that you need to do is just join one of these networks. It's either Impact or CJ. So these two are the biggest affiliate networks that I actually work with and I've made a lot of money with. And what you need to do next is just click on Discover and click Find Brands. All right, if you don't have any accounts on both, either CJ or Impact, let me know in the comment section down below, and I will make a full tutorial showing you how to get approved in literally 3 days. Once you are in the Find Brand section, all you need to do is just type jobs, right? And these brands will actually pop up. So you need to join one of these brands right here, like a job aggregator website where people can truthfully apply to a job. And I do recommend, obviously, FlexJob is one of the networks that we're going to be using today. I mean, it's the main one, obviously. And in here you can actually get paid for every person that subscribes to their subscription plan, and you will get paid $12 per each person. And this is obviously a recurring subscription, it's not one time payment. So if the person keeps on using their plan, you will get paid. This is a good platform that you can work with. Also, you can use ZipRecruiter as well. ZipRecruiter is gonna pay you $10 for each employer, not a job seeker. But for the job seekers, you will get 20 cents or 25 cents per each person that submits their application. Not get approved, but just submits their application. And you can do a lot of this with Reddit. So this is a good offer, and you can use ZipRecruiter as well. If you want just a CPA type of offer, then this is the perfect one for you. For now, like I mentioned before, you need a brand, one of these, the one that suits you, with the commissions, with the pay rates, all of that, and you just need to join it from here. You can do pretty much the same from CJ. All you need to do is just click partners and just find advertisers, and in here you're gonna find an advertiser in the employment category. For me, I am a partner with FlexJob on CJ, and if we go to the program terms and what they offer and the pay rate and all of that, the commissions, you can see in here they will pay you $7 per each order. Like so, if any person enrolls with their subscriptions and plans, you will get $7. And if you refer more than 50 person, that commission will increase to $10. So the base commission is $7, and if you refer more than 50, you will get 10 USD per each action. And notice, like I mentioned earlier, we are trying to give value to these people. We are not trying to scam people. They are applying for legitimate jobs, so that's what we're gonna use FlexJobs for. In here you're gonna find a lot of jobs, but what I usually do and what you can do is go to Reddit, okay? Go to one of the communities right here, okay? Then sort by the top ones, okay? The most ones that got interactions and comments and stuff like that. So as you can see, this one is posted 22 hours ago, and this guy is hiring for supposedly an AI powered virtual assistant job. Okay, so what we can do is just click on this, copy this title, and look for a similar job on Flex Jobs. Okay, so we'll copy that, head back to Flex Jobs. Okay, put this keyword right here and search for this job and see if this job is available. All right, so there is multiple options that we can pick from, but obviously you need a offer that is not geolocated base, or it is finite by geolocation. So for example, if people outside of the US cannot work on that job, so you need to look for a job that is available worldwide. So for example, this one looks fine, so let's just click on it, and we can see the details of the job right here, the pay rate, the experience needed, the career needed, travel requirement, all of that good stuff. So this one is actually a decent offer that we can use, or better yet, we can redirect them to this job right here with this keyword up top if you are not confident with the selection that you made for the job offer. Okay, so that's what we gonna do. For now, hold on to this page on FlexJob. What we can do next is create a landing page on GetResponse. Now, if you don't know what GetResponse is an all-in-one marketing tool where you can pretty much do all of your marketing needs from this place. You can do email marketing, you can do SMS marketing, you pretty much can do it all. Create landing pages, you name it. Now, if you don't have an account, all you need to do is just click sign up for free, and they will give you a 14 days trial for free. You can try it and use it for free with their premium features. Now, once you are in, just close this welcoming message right here and just head straight to the tools section right here. Click on tools, then click on landing pages. Okay. And if you want a full tutorial about GetResponse and how you can use this tool, then let me know in the comment section as well, and I will cover this to its entirety. Once you are in, click on create a landing page right here, and you're gonna use AI powered builder, not the ready-made template. You can go that route, it's up to you, but for the sake of this video, I just want to speed it up. I'll use the AI feature, and in here for the header, we'll just copy the header of our job, which is a general virtual assistant. This is the one that I'm just gonna roll with or just pick for the sake of this tutorial. Just put it in here. Now for the description, all you need to do is just write it down using ChatGPT or Quen. I just give it the role, which is let me just see, it's general virtual assistant, right? And it just gave me the whole description right here. Copy this, go back to GetResponse, paste all of this, then click next step and give it some time. And from here, it will tell you what you need to do. We just need the sign up form and no video, please. And in here, we just need to use the cookies. We can use a FAQ section as well, and we can use a list that lists probably the key responsibilities and the benefits of this role. Then click next step, and now you can select the color of your web page. So I'll just select the red and black. I like this color theme. Then you can upload your logo that you can create via Canva, or just you can add it later on. Or if you have a landing page in mind, a website that you want to mimic, all you need to do is just paste that web page in here and just click continue. For now, we'll just leave these empty as they are. Click next step and just let the AI do its magic. Now you have three options, so pick the one that you like the most or you love the most. It does not really matter, because eventually you're gonna change the design if there is anything missing. So I'll use this one. Click on use the design. All right, so this is our landing page. It looks actually quite simple and straightforward, and that's what we need to do. We don't need a complicated, convoluted landing page. All you need to do is just state the essential stuff that a job seeker is looking for. But as you can see, you can modify a lot of things in here. For example, the subheading right here, or the description, excuse me, in here you can modify that. You can also modify the header right here. You need to state the job offer clearly up here, and you can edit these as well, the qualification FAQs, and this section right here you can also edit that, or just remove it completely. You can edit all of these using ChatGPT, like I said, or Quen, or any AI model of your choice. So let me just do that for a second and I will just be back. All right, so I did not do much of editing. All I did was just add a logo up top and in the footer as well. Also, I changed the header right here, changed the description down here as well. Like I said, it's not really that much of a difference from the previous one because, like I said, landing page is just solely there to serve as a bridge between the customer and the offer itself. So that's what we need to do. Now, if you are satisfied with the way that your page is looking like, all you need to do now, or the final touch, is just to add your affiliate links. In here, just click on the CTA button and just change it, for example, to apply here or start here. Then in here, select external page or web page. So if a person clicks on this button, they will be redirected to the page on Flex Jobs. Now let's just go ahead and create our affiliate link. So copy this page, head back to our account on CJ, then go to Get Links under Flex Jobs, of course. Then from there, let's just select one of the marketing assets that we have in here. And once we do that, all you need to do is just, change the destination URL right here and just click on update code. And just like that, we have updated our code. Now click on the click URL and this should be the final URL. Now go ahead and copy your affiliate URL and shorten the URL as well. Now this is the shortened URL. Copy it, then go back to your landing page. Okay, then select the URL tab and paste your affiliate link in here. Like I said before, if somebody clicks on apply here, they will be redirected to the Flex Jobs offer page. And you can do pretty much the same for the email form right here, and this will be a perfect retargeting machine for you if you tend to use the email marketing technique later on to retarget those job seekers. But do the same, click on the call to action right here and click on fields. Okay, then scroll all the way to buttons, click on buttons, and you can do pretty much the same. You can rename it in here, and you can also change the success view from show a thank you page to redirect to an external page, which is obviously the affiliate web page that we are targeting. Now, once everything is just ready, click on continue and publish your landing page. Now, what you can do to go to the extra mile and make your page noticeable and trustworthy is just, add a domain. You either buy a domain from GetResponse, which is cheap as hell for like, I don't know, $1 or $2. You can get a domain, or just, connect a domain that you own that is in the nature or category of job seeking or employment. All right, and once you do that, click save changes and everything should be set to go. Now for the final thing that you need to do is just go to Reddit and just join these communities, the ones that are in the job seeking category, the employment category, etc. But you need to do this. Okay, you need to do this and you need to post constantly. You need to post constantly on these communities, right? And each community have different rules, different guidelines you need to follow. But essentially, you need to post a post like this, where you tell people to DM you if they are interested in this position. And trust me, they will. Trust me, they will DM you. A lot of them will DM you. So as you can see, this is one of the campaigns that I tested before uploading this video. And I've posted it on a different community. And as you can see, there's a lot of people who are interested in that job. And they have actually DM'd me. So what I did is just, I've followed the same blueprint that I've showed you in this video, but instead, like I said before, you don't need to put your affiliate link in the post itself, but instead just let them know that you are a partner working with that company. So you need to be transparent, you need to be straightforward, you don't need to actually be around the bush in order to make money. Just be straightforward, tell them that you are a partner. I'm not like the one hiring, but this company is actually hiring, and you can go through my link. And I just gave them our landing page link, so they will go through the process, best believe that. And if they finish doing that, they will most likely end up subscribing to Flex Jobs, and that way you will get paid. And as you can see, I've just did this for this video. I've tested it just solely for this video before I uploaded it to YouTube. And as you can see, there's a lot of people are interested in jobs and working from home. So this is a good way of making money. But like I said before, you need to be consistent. You just don't need to do it once and just stop, because obviously you're not paying for traffic, you're getting traffic for free, but this will most likely make your pockets full. So like I said before, this was just a quick tutorial on how to actually make money from affiliate marketing. If you found this video quite helpful, then feel free to drop a like, comment down below if you have any questions. And yeah, this was Hadi. See you in the next video, and peace.